very big change in the inflationary pressure in Switzerland. So our new inflation forecast is lower over the entire forecasting horizon. And that was the main reason why we lowered interest rates by 25 basis points. But we made also clear that going forward, further rate cuts may be necessary in order to stabilize inflation within the range of price stability.
You're saying rate cuts, plural. So how many?
Well, we do not make any forward guidance on that respect. It's just a signal that under those circumstances, looking at our inflation forecast, further rate cuts may be necessary in order to stabilize inflation within the range of price stability. In the next 3 months, in December, the new inflation forecast will tell us exactly in what direction monetary policy should then be adjusted.
Right, so we'll wait for that data. However, in the meantime, the forecasts for inflation for 2025 and 2026 have been lowered. Explain to us the macroeconomic dynamics there. Why are you now forecasting lower inflation for the next 2 years?
Well, there are a couple of reasons. One very important one is the exchange rate. So we saw an appreciation of the Swiss franc. Then we have lower oil prices. And we have also lower electricity prices in Switzerland. So all these three factors really pushed inflation forecast down. And because of that, we will probably have also less second round effects. So all in all, the inflationary pressure will be lower, especially in the next 2 years. We will have roughly 50 basis points lower inflation than forecasted in June.
I would like to talk in more detail about what you're seeing in the currency space. I would like to understand whether you would describe the currency, the Swiss franc, as overvalued.
Well, I do not comment on the level of the Swiss franc, but we saw an appreciation of the Swiss franc over the last couple of months. And this appreciation of the Swiss franc had a material impact on the inflationary outlook, on our inflation forecast. And that led then the Swiss National Bank now to take the decision of lowering 25 basis points our policy rate.